Well, it's Thursday, the 26th of October 2016 at 20 minutes before 10 in the morning, and I'm sitting here on the camping place Lashling. We ordered a radiator for Lidl and it's come today, and I've put it in the caravan and I'm just sitting here nice and warm before I go outside and make a little bit of homework. Oh, but maybe I sit in the bed all day because it's nice and warm. Hello, Windy Miller here in Lashling on Thursday the 27th of October 2016. We've just had a ride on the bicycle and we're having a nice cup of red hot coffee. I'll do a panoramic view of the city centre in a minute. This is the view of Lashling city centre. There is other parts of the city which I'll take at a later date. Well, I'm sat on the camping place on Thursday the 27th of October 2016 at 4:10. I'm just having a little shandy. I've not stopped today. I've had a quite productive day today. I'll make a video in a second of what I've done today. This is what I've done today. Cleaned all that off, put the visqueen down ready for flagging. Made a start on the pavilion. Done a bit of fence, it's not finished yet. I want some more posts to put in. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow or Monday, because I may go swimming tomorrow or may just go out on the lash. I've had a quite productive day today. The pavilion's really a two-man job. I need two people for the pavilion. So I'll just sit and have my beer and then I'll go for a shower later. Hello, it's Windy Miller here, and it's Friday the 28th of October 2016 at 10 o'clock ish on the camping place, and the weather's a little overcast. I've been up since 6 o'clock, had beans on toast, then I went back to bed for a little bit. Now I've just got up half an hour ago. Like I say, I'm drinking a coffee, and we'll see what today we'll have in store. Okay, more later. Quick update, I've just had a ride into Lashling, and no market today, but I've been to local supermarket and got a big ham shank. Look at that, cut for you for €3, and I'm just having it on a little bit of toast now. There you go, ham shank on toast. It's a little bit salty for my tasting, but for €3 you can't beat it. Ciao, keep you updated later.